Hello everyone, welcome to another Casual Friday. Today we'll talk about the past perfect progressive tense. This is another one of those tenses whose name and structure sound really difficult, but in reality it's extremely simple. Just like its brother, the present perfect progressive tense, the past perfect progressive also focuses on the duration of an action in the past. However, the difference is that with the present perfect progressive, this action still hasn't finished. But with the past perfect progressive, the focus is on the duration of an action which finished before another action in the past. Let's use an example to show the difference between past perfect progressive and present perfect progressive. If I say, Johnny has been sleeping all day, this action is still true. Johnny is still asleep. He is in bed. If I say Johnny had been sleeping all day before I woke him up, the focus is on the all day part of the sentence. This action in the past perfect progressive lasted for a long time until another action in the past stopped it. In the past perfect progressive, just like in the past perfect, the action which happened second, or the younger action, will usually be in the simple past. As you can imagine, the passive form of the present perfect progressive is equally as rare, if not even more so, than the passive form of the present perfect progressive. Just take a look at this sentence on screen. You will probably never hear this in real life. So, to summarize, even though the name of the tense is complicated and the structure looks a little difficult, this tense is only used to show the duration of a past action before another past action. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about the past perfect progressive tense, please leave them in the comments and I will reply as soon as possible. Have a very nice weekend, and I'll see you next time on Monday.